Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This is a one owner freshwater boat, only ever seen freshwater in Door County, Wisconsin. Just under 60 hours. Twin Mercury 6.2 liter, 350 horse inboard outboard engines. Very clean, well maintained, always kept in heated storage here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Submersible swim platform aft, plenty of storage, and complete with the full enclosure. All right, so welcome aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. As you can see, the aft table is currently down with the additional sun pad sitting on top of it. You do have the starboard side with the refrigerator, grill, sink combination, aft facing seats, and a forward and aft facing seat that's available on the port side. Underneath this port cushion, access to the battery switches, dual touchscreen displays, and joystick docking system that does include skyhook. Some beautiful bolster seats and teak throughout the entire cockpit area for flooring. There are 3 chaise lounges up in the front with access to put a table. And down into the forward area, this table does go down into a very nice sleeping area with the other sleeping area aft, which does have filler cushions to make that into a little bit bigger than a queen size bed. Also, you have a microwave, little refrigerator, and then finally a full standing shower, full standing head with plenty of space. So this boat is located in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. If you'd like to come and see it, just give us a call at 920-746-8200 to schedule your showing today. Thanks for watching.